Mini vlog! Welcome to Ashby's homecoming vlog! So, ito yung nasa hospital pa kami and nagre-ready na kami yung umuwi. Pinicturean ko lang siya for his announcement. So, ayan, dinala ko yung wooden disc na may name niya. Meanwhile, sa bahay si Shobebe nagpa-practice na paano daw niya imimit si Shotty. And tingnan nyo, parang kinakatay-katay yung fake baby. Pero sobrang tawang-tawa ako nung nakita ko tong video na to. So, mga last minute na pinapainom na gamot. And finally, nakabayad na kami and pauwi na kami. So, meron lang nag-assist sa amin. So, ayan, may wheelchair tayo. So, ayan, meron din nag-assist sa amin for our things. Ayan, yung stroller na free. And bago kami tuluyan na bumaba, nagpicture muna kami. Kaya lang di ko na na-videohan. And super nice ng new area ng St. Luke's, yung parang discharge lounge. Last year kasi wala nito. So, ayan, may mga snacks, coffee, may drinks. And sobrang sarap nung cookie dito. Ayan. And before umuwi, dumaan lang kami ng Leching kasi bumili kami ng food. Medyo hindi na kasi kami naka-lunch sa hospital. And ayan, finally, we're on our way. And medyo kinabahan ako kasi medyo umulan. So, inisip ko paano kami makakababa. Wala kaming payong. We're home! Buti tumigil na yung ulan. I miss you. Oh, I'm sorry. And ayan, first meet na ni Shobebe and ni Shotty.
Baby E.
Car.
Oh.
Wow! Love, love? Love, love. Oh, love, love. Ay, hala. Careful, gentle.
Wow, gentle baby.
Gentle. Oh,
Baby, yes.
baby. Sobrang unpredictable talaga ng toddlers. Grabe, muntik na niyang tulakin si Shotty. But we know na makaka-adjust din siya Shobebe. And currently, at present, naka-adjust naman na siya kay Shotty.
Kiss
It's so
baby.
naughty.
Kiss, kiss.
Tim, 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 Tim.
Kiss.
Oh, good job. Ang laki ni kiss. Gentle. Good job. Why are you so big? And na-feel ko na sobrang na-miss din ako ni Shobebe kasi hug siya ng hug sa akin.
It's another funny bunny.
Ayan, it's Chichi Blair's turn to meet Shotty. Siyempre si Blair mas may utak na, so it went better naman compare kay Shobebe. And mas marunong siya mag-handle ng baby, pero medyo natatakot siya kasi ang liit daw ni Shotty. And ayan, may pakiss pa nga, habang to si Shobebe sobrang likot.
Kiss?
And super sweet ng best friend ko kasi nagpadala rin siya ng balloons to welcome Shotty. Kaya medyo lively yung welcome committee, o diba? Currently breastfeeding Shotty. And it's currently 2:30. And nag-meet na si Shobebe tsaka si Blair. I mean, si La Blair, Shobebe, and si Shotty. Super funny ni Shobebe. Si Blair, syempre artsy na expert na. Can't wait for them to grow up together. Have fun together. And later that afternoon, dumalaw rin yung parents ko and yung grandma ko. Sobrang na-miss na nila kami. Char. Gusto lang kasi nila makita mag-interact si Shobebe and si Shotty. Ito yung situation nung gabi na, ayan. Siyempre, katabi ko si Shobebe, sobrang miss ko kasi siya. And si Shotty nasa co-sleeper. In fairness, kinaya ko naman. And ayan, tulog. So anyway, yun lang. Bye!